go for a walk. I'm gonna hit so much stuff. Yep. Look, an electrician picking up their trash. Huh, they do exist. Should have had really funny music playing. Like polka. Yes. Next video is gonna be polka in the background. We have to go back to the office and grab more wire.
Or just Cotton Eye Joe.
Ooh, that's a good one too.
Only you guys Planet Fitness thing this workout.
You remember that? Wow, that was a long time ago. For reference, people who are watching, that was like 10 years ago.
You guys like once.
We want more than